Okay, so now we have a couple of subscribers in our list. So as I mentioned, the big thing is how are people going to be able to join this list? So there are a couple of ways. You can create a landing page in MailChimp, or you can embed a form. If you have one of the OSAC Arts Council member pages set up, we can embed a form in there for you. So I'll take you through that process quickly. The cool thing is you can always add the landing page later if that's what you decide to do. Okay, so let's go back to audiences, manage audience, and sign up forms. Okay, so again, you can do a Facebook form, you can do a landing page sign up form, or you can do an embed form. So let's go through the three options. So for an embedded form, what's going to happen is this is going to create a form that you're going to get this code for, and then you're going to paste this into your website somewhere. So just to give you an example, on the OSAC webpage, this is the exact process that we use currently for our OSAC Quarterly. Subscribe to our newsletter. This is actually code created by MailChimp and pasted into our website to create this little piece of this form on our website. Okay, so that's what's going to happen there. This is the basic form. The only real required field is email. If you want to change any of the required fields, first name, last name, you can click on this form builder link and go there. It's a bit more complex, but it is possible. So at any rate, you can put that stuff in there. So let's go back to audience again and sign up forms. And now let's take a look at the Facebook form. Okay, so for the Facebook form, only the admin of your Facebook page can do it. So when you click on that Facebook thing, it'll give you all the details here on how to do it, and gives you an example of how to set it up, as well as gives you a full walkthrough on how to do it. And you've got to give Facebook permission to connect to MailChimp. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. If you run into any issues with that, let me know. And the other way to manage your audience, let's go to sign up forms again. Okay, so I'm going to create a landing page sign up form for Hudson Bay on the audience and then sign up forms. I'm going to click on this landing page, learn more. Create a landing page, and you have to scroll down a little bit, click to start your landing page. Okay, I'm just going to call this list mailing list. And we're going to use the grow your list. Logo, we're going to change to the Hudson Bay header we created. And let's edit this. Big enticing headline. Well, let's just put spelled that wrong. Okay, so we can click that there. I think we can delete this here. Okay, and then their email address. Let's add first name and last name as well. You can add phone number and all that stuff if you want. Let's make first and last name required, just so that if you know for sure who you're dealing with, right? Okay. Subscribe. Add it to the okay, so when they subscribe, this is the message they'll get. So let's save and close that. And save and close. And then, so it's saying, once we've saved and closed it, we can click on Publish. And it will give us the landing page right here. So here's the URL that they can now share via Facebook or Twitter, or simply share the URL. People who type in that URL will be brought to this web page, and they can sign up for their mailing list that way. Okay, so I'll be sure to save a copy of this. You can always get to this in your this email address, or sorry, this web address in your thing as well. So that's going to be the main way people are going to join your mailing list, and this way they can stay informed and up to date on all the things you have going on. I did go ahead and create the sign up form for Hudson Bay for their OSAC web page, and this is what it looks like. It'll appear on the right hand side. This title can be edited. We do ask that it be something with your Arts Council name or your town name in it, just so on the back end we can find it. And this information here can also be edited. We can change that to pretty much say whatever you want. But there you go. That's what it'll look like on the OSAC webpage. People can fill this in and subscribe to your mailing list there.